Kasif, what does the business outlook for fintechs look like over the next 12 to 18 months?
Yeah. See, for that, we have to understand that how is banking now, changing. And, it becomes apparent that cash, I always say this, paper-based instruments like checks, pay orders, demand drafts, and paper itself is something that's going to now disappear at an unprecedented pace from the banking industry in all markets, especially in emerging markets, because that's a lot of use of, cash and paper is there. Now, so we have to ask these questions that what is going to happen to all the people that are actually dealing in and handling these, checks and cash and paper and all of these instruments. And the answer is that those people would have to be reskilled and retooled in a way that they can then contribute in the uptake and the subsequent usage of digital financial services. So the big challenge for the banks is to, a lot of banks had a position that the branches are going to go out, on a slow gradient. But what the pandemic has shown is that the gradient has become a lot steeper now, because quite frankly, people don't want to go to the branches anymore. Yeah. And when they want to go to the branches, they quickly want to learn how they can avoid going to the branches the next time. Yeah. So there is that massive retooling that has to happen in the banking industry, and the fintechs can play a massive role in helping the banks not just retool their employee bases, but also update their menus and strike meaningful communication with their customers so that behavior change happens.